Hey everyone, welcome back to Life by Vern. Today I'm making a lemon cake, and not just any lemon cake. I'm making a lemon upside down cake. Let me show you how I make it. Come on, let's go. I'm going to put a full list of the ingredients and the measurements in the description box for you guys. 3 cups flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half cup of butter, and it's at room temperature, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, lemon extract, the zest of a large lemon and the juice, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So for your lemon upside down cake, I went ahead and I already caramelized my lemon because my lemons need to cool before I add it to my cake. So I have here 3 large lemons and 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. You can also use brown sugar. And I just went ahead and I caramelized my lemons. Slice up your lemons and add your sugar, put it on your stove top, and just let it caramelize. I'm going to set this aside so it can totally cool, and I'm going to show you how we add it to our lemon cake for our lemon upside down cake. In a large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then I'm just going to go ahead and zest my lemon into my sugar. And this recipe is very quick and easy, guys. So here I have about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon zest. I'm just going to go ahead, use my hands, and just infuse my lemon zest into my sugar, guys. So I'm just rubbing it together. It smells so delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so lemony. And this is what really helps give your lemon cake that lemon flavor, guys. If you just put the zest in there without really rubbing it in and infusing your lemon zest in there, you will get the flavor but not the full potential of the flavor. So just use your hands and your fingers and just rub your zest into your sugar, and you can see your sugar is a little yellow, guys. That's what you want. You want your sugar to turn a light yellow color. Smells amazing. Add my butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and cream my butter, sugar, and lemon zest. Add my eggs one at a time. add our oil. And the oil will really make your cake nice and moist. Lemon juice. This was a big lemon, so I'm going to add half of the juice for now. Beautiful. My vanilla, about a teaspoon, and a little bit of my lemon extract. Mix. Now we add our dry ingredients, and I'm going to do this part by hand. I do not want to over mix, so I'm going to go ahead and mix my dry ingredients in by hand. My half teaspoon of salt. And you need the salt, guys, to bring out the flavor. Going to go ahead and sift this in. And I'm just going to go ahead and fold. And this cake is a very quick and easy recipe. I have my oven on and it's set at 350 degrees, guys. Remember, you're just folding it in, guys. Now to my last batch of flour, I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder. Going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we just fold the rest of our dry ingredients in. Make sure all your flour is incorporated. So make sure you go in the bottom, especially if you're doing it by hand, guys. If you're using a stand mixer, just go ahead and scrape the sides and the bottom. And that's it, guys. This is the consistency that you want. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. My cake tin nice and greased. I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon to the bottom of my cake tin. Guys, and I make this lemon cake is one of the favorites that I make. Every time I make it, people keep asking for more. So it's one of my more popular cakes. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. how it turned out for you. Let me know in the comment section also if you've ever tried having a lemon upside down cake, guys. It's so easy and it's just so beautiful when it's all done. And it tastes delicious. It gives you the same classic lemon cake flavors, but just with a little extra flair to it. And you can see my lemon is nice and caramelized. This is what you want. Sticky, ooey, and gooey. And as it bakes, it will just totally just caramelize into the bottom of your cake. It's beautiful. And that's it, guys. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cake batter. Spread it out. And into the oven, it goes for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, guys, so my cake is done. I'm going to go ahead and just place it on here. This is what you want, guys. Your lemon is nice and caramelized, and it tastes delicious when it's totally caramelized like this. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you'd enjoy it. Chilled or warmed up. This is how I make my delicious lemon upside down cake at home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who would love it too. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Click here for another Life by Vern recipe, and don't forget to subscribe.